Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about my 3D printed T-38. Alrighty, here we have the T-38 in Fusion 360. And what I'm working on now is the ducting, internal ducting for the exhaust. 90mm fan will go in here. And have bifurcated ducting in the back here. I'm also working on the internal structure here also, and turn the canopies off. You can see down inside the plane. So I will be showing you how to model all of this stuff in Fusion. Like I said, it'll be a 3D printable, flyable model, 83 inches long. And I printed the larger model out already, like I said, because I want to see where to put things at where I don't have to guess where they go. So I'll come in here and measure our, from the other wing, the actual printed wing, measure that, then I can come in here and draw or model everything in here exact and do it once. And modeling this is not difficult. It's just time. That's it. Like I said, it's not difficult at all. And this is actually one body here, complete body. This is another body complete here, and this is the another body here. And this makes up the fuselage for this. 3 separate bodies. So we turn on the canvas. And that's what we have. This front view here, the picture's just a little big, but that's not a problem. Not particular big. You could just move this down and match it up. And I will have actual instrument panels for this also that are 3D printed as well. And turn the canopies back on here. And like I said, I'll be showing you how to model this whole thing. The servo hatches, everything. In my upcoming series of videos, I will be showing you guys how to model this 83-inch T-38 into a 3D printable, flyable model. I'll be showing you how to do the internal structure, the internal ducting, retracts, servo hatches, everything. I went ahead and printed this out of PLA that Polymaker sent me, and I want to say thank you to Polymaker for sending me the 3D print filament. I'll be using their filament from now on. But I printed this so I can have a large model to know where I want to put things at, where all my servos go, my retracts, and everything. Because normally when I model things in Fusion, I guesstimate where things go, and then I have to go back and have to print them, then go back and change things that need to be changed. But this way I can see where it needs to go. For instance, like the aileron. I can put this here and actually see where my aileron servo needs to go, and then I just will draw a hole here, or just draw on here and just measure that. Then I can go back in the Fusion and just make my servo hatch the bay right here and things like that. So it's less guessing, and I like doing things like that with less guessing involved. Also, when this is done, I'm going to go ahead and make a clear canopy for this also. I don't like the 3D printed canopies. I like clear canopies, so I'm going to make a clear canopy for this as well. Once I am done modeling this completely in Fusion, I'll go ahead and print this with Polymaker 3D print filament, lightweight PLA. And I'll be using a jet fan 90 millimeter, and I'll be using KST servos and Castle Creation speed controller. Batteries, I haven't determined what I'm going to use there for this as of yet. For those of you who do not want to model this jet for yourself in Fusion, you'll be able to get the STL files for this on Colts 3D once this is all done in a flyable model. And another way you'll be able to get the files, if you're a member on my Patreon site, you'll have access to the files, the STL files, and F3D files there as well. Now, this is going to be for a 90 millimeter EDF, and I kept it at 90 millimeters because I wanted the intakes to remain scale. I don't have the portion of it that goes up here printed yet, so I didn't put that up here. But I wanted those to remain scale, so I don't have to make them bigger to accept a larger fan. But I was thinking about putting a 100 millimeter EDF fan in here, but I would have to make these a little bigger. But I'm going to go, like I said, I'm going to go with a 90 millimeter EDF on 10 or 12 cells, and hopefully get about 12 to 13 pounds of thrust out of that. And maximum weight, I'm hoping this to, come in right around 14 pounds, 15 pounds at the most. So with 12 pounds of thrust, it should fly fine. So yeah. Also with this T-38, I'm going to be using elevators on here just for the sake of simplicity, making this a full flying stab. It's not that hard to do just for simplicity. I just want to just make a elevator back here instead, just so everybody can do that without hassle. And we'll have servo for the aileron, servo for the flaps. So this is going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 servos, 7 servos for the with the rudder, and so most likely 8 channels, 10 channel, more channels better. You can add more things to it. So that's about it. If you have any questions about this or anything on my channel, just go ahead and leave a comment and ask a question down in the comments, and normally I answer pretty quickly. So go ahead and do that. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And go ahead and leave some comments down there on things. It really helps the channel grow. And we'll catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.